Here we can see a tiny speck on a camera sensor right there. I have this kit to clean the camera sensor. What you do is you open the back part. Out comes this little cleaning swab. Now you do want to be careful. You don't want to accidentally scratch your sensor, which is possible. And if you damage your sensor, I'm not responsible. You put a couple drops. I think that's more than a couple, but that's okay. There's the spot. What I do is I start on one edge, move to the other edge, then I go the other direction. I can still see a tiny remnant of the spot. There's no remnant. Totally clean now. So I did 3 wipes. I did use the same swab the whole time, but you can see that it's pretty clean. And the sensor is perfectly clean now. Thanks for watching. Bye.